you're not trying hard. Them girls they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, but you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wagwan, how is it going? For today I am going to do my first ever makeup video, and actually my first official video with me using a primer and an actual I'll say a foundation of my skin tone, because for some reason I never seem to find the right foundation that I want for my skin tone. But today I'll be reviewing the Rimmel Stay Matte. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus. Yep, the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation and the Rimmel Stay Matte primer as well. Yeah, so these two I'll be using. As you can see, my eyebrows, I'm assuming this is all my eyebrows. I think they're okay. I never actually done my eyebrow before. Long time ago I tried drawing my eyebrow and they didn't turn out well, so I just stopped. So don't mind my eyebrow, I'll get used to it. This is my first video. Never even had my makeup done before by someone else. I am the only one that, you know, grab some little makeup powder, dash it on my face and stuff like that, and just call it a day, and I'm out with little eyeshadow, right? But you know, I've been researching a little bit more about makeup and about my complexion and about my skin. My skin. I bought these Rimmel at Shoppers, my local Shoppers Drug Mart, and I got the liquid foundation for about $5.99. I got it on sale for $5.99 because it was originally $11.50, and I got the primer for about $5.50 or $5.49 or something like that. So yes, so let's see how it work out with me trying to actually do my makeup. Let's see how it work out. So I already did moisturize my face already using the new Unbalanced Skin Relief Oatmeal Daily Moisturizer. Let's see if you can see that. Hold on, come on and focus, man. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. Yes, so I did moisturize my face already, and then I did my eyebrow. So now I'm gonna put the primer on. I have my mirror over here, so I'll be looking into that. Oh, here we go. For this Rimmel primer, it says shine controlling, pore minimizing, hydrating feel, smooth skin. So it makes the skin smooth, and it's a 1 ounce bottle. It's very small, but I don't think you use a lot anyways. But yeah, skin perfecting primer can be worn alone, under makeup, or on top to create a perfect matte complexion. Controls shine for up to 8 hours. Ultra lightweight, which is good because I don't like a lot of muck on my face. Make me feel like I don't want to feel like me wear an actual mask. I don't want that. So ultra lightweight formula minimizes the appearance of pores. Yes, so I don't know if you can see on my face I have some dark spot because I was going through basically a phase where I had pimples. I'm not a person that normally have bumps and stuff on my face, but all of a sudden them feel like it just appear and want to take over my face. So you know, them get it under control, but it leaves some dark spots, right? So I'm gonna see, hopefully this can help with the makeup as well. Sorry if my lip dry, I'm finishing with something on my lips, sorry. Alright, so just like a squeeze some on my hand, and the paste is really thick. You can see that. Come on and focus, man. Yeah, it's not liquidy, so I'm just gonna use this small amount. I know from this in, I know. Lotion this in, just back a little bit. So next thing I am going to use is the Rimmel liquid mousse foundation, and the foundation is in the color 502. This is the darkest, and I tried it on my hand before I choose, because I'm saying, okay, my skin complexion on my hand is kind of similar to my face complexion, so hopefully this one will work. And it said that the name for this color is Warm Caramel. So they say it's lightweight, shine control, and the texture is, it's not so thick. That's what I'm trying to say, you know. Okay, so the box says Feather Light liquid mousse blends flawlessly for natural looking all day shine control. Silky smooth formula leaves a perfectly matte baby soft finish. Lightweight texture, won't feel heavy or greasy. Oh, so this is really good. This is really good. I didn't actually read the back when I picked it up. So let's see how the 502 work. Hopefully this works good. Squeeze it on my hand for sure, yo. I'm only going to use the sponge to blend it in as well. So that's how it looks. And then let's apply it. So you can see how the color look compared to my actual skin, my skin complexion. So let's blend it in and see how it look when we finish. I'm gonna do this. Then do this. Make sure you get in them creases there, because sometimes they see them put on makeup, and when you see them put on makeup, when they look on them face and they look on right here, there's two different complexions. They turn their chin. Hard, man, I want them to put too much. Because, oh my gosh, man. Let me continue. I like a matte finish, like a foundation. I don't like using powder. It feel too much to me. Wait, this is just so, sorry, it's just overlooking at the mirror while I put on this, yo. It even not mess up my eyebrow, yo. You have to brush it up here, cause you don't want your earline look too different from the makeup part, you know. Aye, put yourself in the eye. Alright, I'm gonna use the other side of the sponge now to kind of take off some, because it let me have on too much on it. I know my eye I run water because I drop myself in my eye. I put myself in my eye, people. My neck is just, this is my birthmark, so it kind of got different, different color. Yes, the sponge kind of got out. Because I think I put on, tell us I think I kind of put on too much, man. Yo, my lips are dry. I know. Anyway, let me go after that now. I'm gonna see if I can fix the eyebrow here. I'm gonna attempt to fix it. So I'm gonna use the camera. No, I'm not use the camera. And draw this. There you go, man. Just a lightly shaded thing, isn't it? Because I don't want it to be big. Shoot, I think I messed up. Anyway, the inner part to this part. Also, Empo, big up yourself, because I love your makeup. You need to teach me some of your makeup tips, them, yo. Empo, big up yourself. You better watch the video come this far and so you know some bit big up yourself. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you're not gonna hear that part, you know? Alright, people. As I said, don't know if this is gonna be an epic fail. For my first ever makeup. I'll drop down here, so And for my lips, I'll be using Revlon. See if you can see it. Revlon Paris. And this shade is, hopefully you can see it, the shade is for this one is 804. I love this one. This is like my go-to lipstick, my go-to matte lipstick. I love it because it just kind of goes with every little thing, you know what I mean? And right now the place is kind of cool, so I won't be sweating that much right now. Okay, so this is my review. So the makeup, it feels good. It feels good. If you can see, I did have some pimples on my face before. I don't really see them, so the primer does help with that. And then with the foundation, the mousse foundation, it helps with that as well. On my chin, I normally have some here. When I pick them out, sometimes them leave a bump or something and leave dark marks. I don't really see that right now. I don't really see that right now. Sorry, probably see up in the nostril. Yeah, so that's how it look. I guess I'm not sure about this complexion for my skin, but I don't need anything brighter, probably a little bit darker, who knows. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. So this is my review for the Rimmel primer and the Rimmel foundation, mousse foundation. And this foundation is 502, and the primer, it says the primer actually has a number 003. I'm not too sure if it has something to do with the number of the primer. I'm gonna double check, and because I just grabbed this because this was on sale, as I said before. Yeah, so I like it. I like my lipstick. The feel of this makeup, I feel alright. I feel all like sticky or, let me touch it. So tell me how it looks. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember, like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Until you see me again later, Shana out.